Welcome to the Quick Assist. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your regular WhatsApp into powerful WhatsApp CRM that automates customer management, responds 24/7 and help you grow your business without missing a single lead. So, this is the dashboard of the Quick Assist. To integrate into the Quick Assist, you have to follow 3 easy steps. First is to have a WhatsApp business account and a Facebook business account in which you have to link your number. There are 2 types of phone numbers you can use. First is new phone number. If you register WhatsApp on a new phone number, it will be linked to that new number. Second, existing WhatsApp number. You can also use a phone number that is already registered with WhatsApp depending on your business requirement. Next step is the payment method. A payment method is required when you start sending messages through WhatsApp Business API. You can add credit card or debit card based on your preferences. Next is business verification. Business verification is an optional step, but if you do business verification, the templates which will be needed for bulk messages have to get approved by the Meta. If the business verification is done, the templates will get approved within 10 to 15 minutes, or if the business verification is not done, it might take more than 24 hours. The next beneficial part of business verification is that you will get daily message limit of 2000. Otherwise, it will be only 250 without business verification. For creating templates for bulk messages, you have to go in template section. Then click on create template. Here you can give any name for your template. After that, you will see a category section. In the category section, you will see utility. Utility is used for sending reminder messages to the existing customer, such as order updates, payment confirmation and reminders, which cost 0.11 paise per message. Next is marketing category. Marketing category is used for sending promotional messages, offers, discounts, which cost 0.86 paise per message. Next is authentication. Authentication is used for sending OTPs or account verification codes to the customers, which cost 0.11 paise per message. After that, you will see header section. In header section, we can use text for writing text messages. Also, you can use images, videos and documents for your templates. After that, next comes the body section. In the body section, here you can write any welcome message or information of your business. After that, there is the footer section. After footer section, there is the button section where you will get 2 website buttons, phone number button, coupon button and voice call button. After creating a template, you have to submit it to Meta for approval. After creating templates and submitting to Meta, we can go in contact section. In contact section, we can see this dashboard. First, we can see total contacts. This shows total number of contacts. Next is the manual section. In manual section, here you can add the contacts manually by adding their name, phone number, and also we can add tags. Next is import section. In import section, here you can import CSV or Excel file. Next is inbound section. In inbound section, the WhatsApp leads which occurs directly comes under the inbound section. If we want to run a campaign, click on campaign section. After that, click on create campaign. Here you have to give a name for a campaign. Click on continue. After that, Here you will see the templates which have been approved by the Meta. Choose this and then select a field, suppose name, and give a value. After giving a value, click on continue. Then the option will be seen as target audience. Here you can select all contacts and the next is selected. In the selected contacts, you can select the specific contacts that you want to choose. After doing that, click on continue. Here you will see an option when to send. Here you can send the templates immediately and click on run campaign. And if you want to choose a specific date and time, you can do that by choosing on schedule for later and then run a campaign. After creating a campaign and running the campaign, next feature I will explain you is the drip campaign. Click on drip campaign. Click on create drip campaign. Drip campaign will automatically send follow-up messages to the customer. The first step we have to do is select the trigger. Here we choose when the campaign should start. Example, contact created manually. Here the customer sends first WhatsApp messages. As soon as this event happens, the customer enters the campaign. The next step is to add a template step. Here we can give a step name and we have to choose a template. After choosing a template, select the contact field. Click on use template. After doing this step, the next step is to add a wait and delay. Now we can add wait and delay step. Example, one day delay. This means the system will wait for 1 day before sending the next message. Next we can do is add the second template step. Again, here we can give a step name and choose a template. Here, select the contact field such as name and click on use template. So, this sending message one by one at a scheduled interval, this automated sequence of follow-up message is called drip campaign. Will guide you how to make a workflow. You have to go in workflow section, click on manage workflow, click on create workflow. After that you will see a dashboard and you have to set a trigger keyword such as hi. After that we can add a text button where you can write a welcome message or any information related to your business. Here we also have 3 maximum buttons available here. After that there is a list button. If we want to add multiple buttons, we can use a list button. After that, we have a media button in which we can upload images, videos and documents along with the information, and also here we can add maximum 3 buttons. Suppose we want to add multiple images, videos and documents, we can make the use of media carousel, where we can add multiple images and also here we can add maximum 2 buttons. Next is Ask Question button. With the help of Ask Question button, you can ask question to your customer. Suppose, what is your name? After that, there is an Ask Address button. On clicking Ask Address, the bot asks the customer for their address and store it for future use. Next is Ask Location. Using an Ask Location, the customer can share the live location. After that, we have Assign Agent. On clicking Assign Agent, you can automatically assign the conversation to a specific team members or a department. After that, we have a Request Intervention. On clicking Request Intervention, the chatbot stops handling the conversation and transfer the chat to a human agent. This is useful when the customer needs personal assistance. So, after creating the workflow, the chats which are happening, we can see it in a live chat section. For that, we have to go in a live chat section. We will see the dashboard like this. So, we can see the chat section. On the left side, we can see all the customers' conversation here. We can check new chats, pending chats and intervened chats. In the center, we can see the selected customer, complete conversation history. All the messages sent by customer and bot are visible here. After that, on the top, we can see Assign Agent button. Using Assign button at the top, we can assign this chat to a specific team member or agent for handling. Beside that, there is a Start Intervention button. If we click Start Intervention, the bot stops responding and a human agent can continue the conversation manually. Next, on the right side, we can add labels such as callback, demo booked, demo completed, or a follow-up to organize and track leads. So, this live chat dashboard helps business manage customer conversation, track leads, assign agents, and provide quick support from a single place. An AI agent is an advanced virtual assistant that can automatically handle customers' conversation without a human intervention. So, when we click on knowledge sources, to add knowledge, click on Add Source. We can either add a website URL where the system automatically extracts information, or use the text option to manually add FAQs, product details, or business information. Once we click Add an extract, the AI processes the data and start using it in a conversation. Next, we can see Test Chat section. In Test Chat section, we can test our chatbot to know how actually it is responding. So next we will go through the real estate feature. So in this you will get a property listing tool. Using property listing tool, you can add your property to the list, and that list you can add to the workflow too. And also you will get a website type interface about property lists. So after this, there is a next feature, that is appointment feature. So using appointment feature, you can schedule your appointments. After that, there is a live agent section. The live agent section is used to add and manage team members who will handle the customer's conversation. To add user, click on Add User button. Here, you can give name, last name, email address, phone number, and you have to select a role and set a password. Once agent added, the agent can log in and start handling the customer's chat. After adding an agent, we can use the roles and permissions section to control what the user can access and manage within the platform. To create a role, click on Create Role. After that, click on Create New Role. Here, you have to give a role name. And after that, you have to select a specific role or a specific access that you want to give to your agent. And then click on Create Role. So now let's go to the Upgrade Plan section to understand how the plans are. Here we have monthly plan as well as yearly plan. In monthly plan, you will see a growth plan which is for Rs 599. Here, you will get 10 custom attributes and chatbot automation. Next is the Pro plan. In the Pro plan, you will get 20 custom attributes, AI agent, appointment scheduling, chatbot automation, which are 5 automation will be included, 5 agents will be included, and API integration and also property listing builder. Next is an Elite plan. In Elite plan, you will get 50 custom attributes, AI agent, appointment scheduling, 10 chatbot automation, 10 agents will be included in this, API integration and webhooks as well as property listing builder tool. That's it for this demo. If you found it helpful, please like, share and subscribe. To learn more or a book a free demo, check the link in the description. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.